The state government on Friday appealed to the proscribed HNLC to review its decision to withdraw from the tripartite peace talks. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong told reporters that the government is ready to meet the HNLC top leaders at any place where they feel safe to continue with the peace process, stating that the state government is committed to take the peace talks to its logical end. He said that now it is up to the HNLC top leaders to decide, as opportunities like these do not come every now and then.
So, in every informal meeting also, that has happened, where ultimately from the central government and the state government, we have requested them that, okay, in the second official talk, we would like that the top leadership be present in the talk, will discuss, will talk all issues, whatever raised across the table. But it is very unfortunate, as I said to you, that ultimately they withdraw the peace talk.
For